Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Payhip account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your Payhip username? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your Payhip username anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Payhip, you know that your URL or your link is a combination of Payhip and your username. It maybe set up something cheesy, so you want to make it a little bit more professional. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Payhip dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Payhip, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and change your Payhip username, up here on the top right, you're going to click on Account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you're going to see this option here at the top in blue. Make sure you've clicked on Store. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see Username. So here you can see my username right now as payhip.com/here. So maybe we're running a basketball store. So maybe I'll go ahead and change this to Anthony Basketball. Okay, now it's checking. And yes, this username in Payhip is available. So now that we've changed it, you're not done yet until you scroll to the bottom and you click on Save Settings. Okay, now you can see profile has been updated. So now my username in Payhip has been updated along with my URL. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update or change your Payhip username, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.